Hey folks, welcome to another video from King's English and Education Centre. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, we are going to look at simple future tense at beginner level. We are going to learn how to use and make will for future simple tense, how to use and make negative will future tense, and how to make questions with will in future tense. This is the first video on simple future tense for beginner level. Be sure to check out our other videos as well and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos when we upload. With that said, let's get started. This is Marg. She's talking to a fortune teller. She asks him, "What will happen in the future?" He tells her, "You will find a job. You will be rich and famous. You will travel around the world. You will see many wonders. But you will not be happy." All of these sentences use will for simple future. You can see all the verbs use will plus the regular form of the verb. Let's look at the ways that we use simple future will. We use it to talk about hypothetical events in the future and to express intentions. Let's look at some examples, starting with hypothetical events in the future. Bruce will get a promotion at work. The weather will not get warmer tomorrow. Scientists will discover a cure for cancer in 20 years. These examples suggest events that might happen in the future. These are predictions, guesses, or estimates. The second example with will not is negative. Let's look at expressing intentions. The phone's ringing. I will pick up the phone. There's no milk. I will go to the shop. There's a fire. I will call the fire service. These examples show how something happens and we express what the response is. There's a cause and effect. Like hypothetical events, we use will and the regular verb. Simple future sentences are very easy to make. We use will with the regular verb in many ways to make future. First, we can make positive by simply adding will, make negative using will not, make yes-no questions by adding will at the front of the sentence, and make longer questions using WH words plus will. Let's first look at making positive future sentences. Driving tired will be dangerous. We will use online cloud servers. I will call you on Monday. Notice how the verbs be, use, and call are all in the regular form. Notice how none of them change even though the subject is singular or plural. This is a feature of simple future. Let's take a look at making negative future. It will not rain tomorrow. He will not go to the party. People won't use CDs in the future. To make negative, use will not or won't for the regular verb. Again, plural or singular subject doesn't matter. If you're used to simple present and simple past, this process will be pretty easy. Now let's take a look at making yes-no questions. Will she go to university? Will they fly to Tokyo? Will he finish the report? Like other yes/no questions, we move the verb to the front, followed by the subject and then the regular verb. So the form is will plus subject plus verb, which is similar to yes/no questions in simple present and simple past. Finally, let's take a look at making longer questions. When will you be home? What time will he finish school? Who will win the race? This form is the same as yes/no questions, but we add a WH word in the front. The choice depends on the information we want to know. But who is special because we don't use a subject, since that's who we want to know who did the action. So let's summarize. Simple future is used in two ways. We can use it to talk about hypothetical events in the future and to express our intentions for something that happens in front of us. We can make simple future positive by using will plus the regular verb. Negative will uses will not plus the regular verb. Yes/no questions use will plus subject plus the regular verb. And finally, longer questions use a WH word plus will, then a subject, then the regular verb. Simple future is very similar to the other simple tenses. It uses the regular verb and the question forms are similar. That's all for this explanation video on simple future. So, how about you? What do you think the future will be like? What new technology will we have? Can you ask using simple future? Comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.